So firstly, what makes a good website? Well, let's just quickly go over some of the best. So the first one is Apple. Now, love them or hate them, there is absolutely no denying that this is just an incredible looking website. You've got the beautiful navigation bar up here, the logo. It's just clean, modern, simple. And then we've got the big giant image here that draws you in. And then as we scroll down, we've got just a really nice, clean looking design that it's just so easy on the eyes. And then we've got my favorite company in the world, Tesla, by my hero Elon Musk. And look, he just doesn't do anything wrong. And again, it's got the beautiful navigation bar up here. We've got the logo in the corner. Not just an image this time, but incredible footage of some of his electric cars. Then as we scroll down, we just have a look, and it's just again a nice, minimalistic, clean design. There's not just too much, and yeah, there's just not just too much going on. And then finally, we have the Samsung website. Now again, got the really nice looking navigation bar up here, and then a really big image to help draw you in. And then as you scroll down, just nice, clean, really clean and modern looking design. The reason I'm showing you this is because we're going to be creating a website that is modeled off of these multi-million-dollar websites. So let's do a quick rundown of the website we'll be creating. So this here is a website that by the end of today, you will have created. So at the top, we're going to have this beautiful menu, and I'm going to take you guys through step by step how we can have any of our own icons we'd like to have here. I'm going to show you how we can do that. I'm going to show you how we make any text we'd like to have here. Big, beautiful text with a subtext underneath. A call to action that when people click it can take you to another page on your site or anything you would like them to go to. Then as we scroll down, we're going to have this section here where you can showcase what you offer, your qualities, your just really anything this section can be used for. And I'm going to show you guys how we can completely customize this to make it however we like. And I'm going to show you guys how you can go through and change each one of these little icons here to whatever you'd like them to be. And then scrolling down, we've got our simple, clean, beautiful about section where you can add your own photos in of yourself, of each of your team members. You can write their position, your name, and even better, you can link to each of your social media platforms, which is just fantastic. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. And you can also add in as many team members as you like, and or remove as many as you like. So you might just want to have just the single image there. I'm going to show you how to do both those things. Then I'm going to show you how you can make a testimonial section where you can have comments from maybe your customers or clients or really anything you can use this for. And then scrolling down, we've got our subscription section, which is extremely important and something that a lot of people, they just don't set up on a website because they think it's too difficult. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it, and there's really not much to it, and it's gonna be of such big reward to you, because if you can start to get people's emails coming in, then that is just gonna help you grow so much, and I can't wait to show you guys how to set that up. And then as we scroll down, we're going to be able to have a blog here where we can showcase our most latest blog post, and then down to an incredibly beautiful looking contact form that I have to be honest, you really don't see ones like this on many websites. A lot of them are really simple looking, but this one is just, you can see it yourself, it's just so nice looking. And then as we go down to the bottom, I'm going to show you guys how you can link to all your social media profiles so that anyone that comes to your site can click on these and then they can go off to your social media, because social media is so important for the viability of your website or business. And then just quickly, I'm going to show you how we can make these beautiful looking about sections on separate pages, your blog, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys through step by step how we can do all of this.